If you want to keep your photos safe, backing up your iCloud photos to an external hard drive is a smart idea. This method gives you an extra copy of your memories outside of iCloud storage. First, open your device and make sure you have access to your iCloud account. You will also need an external hard drive connected to your computer. Start by opening your web browser on your computer. Go to the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, you will see the iCloud dashboard. Click on the Photos icon to open your photo library. Your iCloud photos will begin loading on the screen. Wait a moment until all your images appear in the library. Now, select the photos you want to back up. You can select multiple photos by holding the Shift or Control key. After selecting the photos, look for the download button. Click the download icon to start downloading the photos. Your computer will begin saving the selected images. Wait until the download process is complete. Now open the folder where the photos were downloaded. Check the files to make sure everything downloaded correctly. Next, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Your computer should recognize the external drive automatically. Open the external hard drive folder on your computer. Create a new folder if you want to organize your photos. You can name the folder something like Photo Backup. Now drag the downloaded photos into the external drive folder. The files will start copying to the external hard drive, depending on the number of photos. This may take a few minutes. Wait until the transfer process finishes completely. Once done, open the external drive folder to confirm the files. Check a few photos to make sure they open correctly. Organizing your photos by year or event can also help later. Creating folders makes it easier to find photos in the future. After confirming the backup, safely eject the external drive. This prevents file corruption and protects your data. Now, unplug the external hard drive from your computer. Your photos are now safely backed up outside of iCloud. Keeping backups helps protect your memories from data loss. You can repeat this process regularly to keep photos updated. Having multiple backups is always a good safety practice. And that's how you easily back up iCloud photos to an external hard drive.